Well, I thought I would give you a glimpse of what it's like for morning chores here on Fescue Farms. So I'm just gonna give you bits and pieces of what goes on. First thing is I feed my replacement heifers, so they just get some corn and protein, and they get that morning and night. And then I've already fed my bucket calf, and she is now cut down to just one feeding per day. And I've got her on a calf starter feed, and so she's eating that pretty well. And hopefully I'll have her off of that bucket here pretty shortly. So there she is with her morning feeding, and she'll get fed of an evening as well. So I also have 2 bulls left. One of those is going to be my herd bull. The other one is going to be a bull that I plan to sell. So I'll give them the same thing those replacement heifers are getting, and that's a quick trip down my driveway to a 14-acre pasture across the road. So I'll film that here in just 1 second. So the goats only get fed of an evening, and as you can see, I'm heading down the driveway. My bulls are waiting. They pretty well know what feeding time is, and they'll be waiting down here for me. That won't take but just a second to dump their feed in. So if anybody is needing a bull, this guy here on the left with the blue tag number 213, he is a Bub Southern Charm and was born in February of 2022, and he is available for somebody to turn into their herd. And as I go through the morning, the only other task I have is heat checking my cows. And so some of you that are cattle producers that watch my channel will know that if you give cows a shot of a product called Lutalice, they should come in heat hopefully within 72 hours, sometimes sooner. And so my daughter and family in the last few days, we've given shots to about 9 cows so that we can get them AI'd. So this is some of the calves, and they're in the creep feeder, so we started the investment of putting feed in the creep feeder. And I'm not gonna film a whole lot more. I'll just as I'm going around in the gator checking the cows, and I usually just set out here for a while because if the cows are eating, they're probably not going to be too interested in riding one another, which is the way you can tell if they're in heat. And forget, for the non-cattle people, cattle that are in standing heat are the ones that will stand, and other cows will ride them. And I have this theory on that in any herd of cattle, you have cattle that pair up, so they kind of have a buddy, and that's the one that they'll kind of hang around with when they're in heat. And just to kind of let you see, I'm I'm going to try and get up close here so you can see the patches that's on their back, and hopefully you can see that. And those are called Estrus alert patches, and when they're ridden, they will turn red. Now, sometimes it can be misleading because you can see a red one there on this one cow, and they can rub those up against tree limbs or whatever. So that's pretty much the morning chores here on the farm, and I'm gonna leave it at that. And you can see, I think this one cow is either coming in heat or has maybe has been in heat during the night. So we'll see what happens here in the next 15-20 minutes as I watch the cow herd, and they're all standing around here a bale of hay. Well, earlier in my discussion about the Estrus alert patches and detecting heats, I do have one cow that's either in heat now or going out of heat. I'm just not sure which. I'll try and get up here so you can see that leather, that Estrus alert patch, so you can see how they're like lottery scratch-off tickets, and they turn really orange. They come in different colors. So that's what I've been doing this afternoon. I did split a bunch of firewood from the downed trees from the storm a month ago. But just a little update on checking cows so I can do more artificial insemination.